place in your face. It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook. Let's see what we got today on the menu. Look at that. Ooh, still hot, look at that. Winner, shrimp fried rice for dinner. Here's your ingredients for that delicious shrimp fried rice. We got garlic, ginger, salt, pepper, canola oil, sesame seed oil, soy sauce, eggs, green onions, shrimp, and rice. Remember, the measurements are in the description. Let's move on to the next step. All right, now we done ran over the ingredients. Let's start cooking it. All right, we're gonna drop our oil. We're gonna do our oils first. That is going to be your canola oil and your sesame oil. So let's just let this heat up. Let's get this shrimp in here. So let's hit it with the shrimp. Let's check our shrimp, give it a toss. Make sure everything is cooking like we need it to be. There we go. All right, our shrimp is ready to come out. Remember, we still gonna cook it some more, so we don't want it all the way cooked. It's going to be rubbery if we overcook it. So let's make sure we don't overcook it. Right after we get our shrimp out, we're gonna leave the oils in there. Let's throw our garlic and our ginger. And let's get those sauteed. We'll get that mixed in now. All right, now that we got our garlic and ginger where we need it, let's go ahead and add our frozen peas and carrots. And forgive me, I didn't put those in the introduction because they was in the freezer. I just like mine to come straight out the freezer, come straight frozen. We're gonna let these cook for about a minute and a half, 2 minutes at the most. All righty, now our veggies is soft and ready. So now let's get our egg cooked up. So let's just go ahead and move all your peas and carrots to one side. Let's get our 4 lightly beaten eggs. There we go. We're just gonna let them cook up so we can scramble them up. Almost done, y'all, almost done. Not a long process. It might seem like it, but it's not. But it's well worth it. Very delicious recipe. Make sure you try to make it. All right, I got a little peas and carrots in my eggs, but that's all right. It's gonna get mixed in anyway. So let's just kind of fluff them up. Get the heat where I need it. There we go. Yeah, let's let that cook. There we go. All right. Let's go ahead and get them broken up. righty. Man, you know what time it is. Let's get our rice in here. Get everything incorporated. And I'm using jasmine rice, by the way. I just like it that much better. So, don't have to use jasmine rice. Use whatever you choose. But me personally, I like me some jasmine rice. So let's just get it all mixed in. Make sure we break up any rice clumps. Because like I say, this is going to be rice that's left over. You kind of want to use that. It gives it a better flavor and cooks better with that. So let's just get everything in there together. There it is. Get some soy sauce in there. Get our shrimp. Look at that. Look at that. We're just gonna let it finish doing what it do. That's it. There we go. All right. Gonna push these shrimps down at the bottom. Let them get cooked. And we are all done. We're gonna be right back. Add a little more soy sauce to it though. Let's go ahead and do that while you're watching. Yeah. There it is. Real quick, before I finish this off, I totally forgot one of my favorites. We gotta put the green onions in there. We gotta put the green onions in there. And then we finish. Yeah. There it is. There it is. There it is, y'all. We're gonna plate this up and make it look pretty. But as always, if you like this recipe and you find it interesting, please think about subscribing, sharing, and liking. You can even comment. I will talk back to you. Alrighty, that boy can cook. Out the place, out your face. Till the next time. Go. Yeah.